My name is Val Ramanand. I'm the CEO of TBM Service Group and Solaris Disinfection. We immigrated to Canada about 30 years ago, and my dad started a cleaning company, and we've started working with him in the cleaning business since we were kids. Back home, my dad had a very, very comfortable job. He ran a sugar plantation. He had about 800 people working with him, and he sacrificed to come to Canada so that his kids can get a better education. And I'll tell you, the first time I saw my dad with a mopping the floor, it almost brought tears to my eyes. When we started off cleaning, it was a family affair. It was mom, dad, and brothers. We were all going together. For us, it seemed normal. As a family, we came together. We wanted to have a better life. That's why we came to Canada. So we would finish school at 3:30 in the afternoon. We would go start clean till around 10 o'clock at night, come home, sleep, and then wake up back again in the morning at 3 or 4 o'clock, go cleaning again, get back home, have breakfast, get ready, go back to school. And this was routine. We felt that was a normal way of living. Our big break came once there was a contract with a new building, the Winnipeg Area Control Center, that went out on tender. And once that contract came on tender, I pushed my dad. I said, "Dad, let's bid on this contract. I think we can get it." Well, we bid on it, we got it. And that's where really when our company really started. So from that one contract, we grew to we had a contract to clean the Winnipeg International Airport. We had a contract for all the Manitoba Hydro buildings, and the company just grew and grew and grew. So we went from just a family business to having 200 employees. And back then, 200 employees was a lot. About 15 years ago, we moved to Toronto. It was like started a new business. I think the highlight for us was that we were also a corporate sponsor. And part of that, my dad was able to carry the torch on the final run, getting the torch into the village. And that was a moment that I'll never forget. Knowing where we started, how my dad started the company, and here my dad was taking the torch down on the street of Toronto was incredible. That was the highlight of the whole thing. So over the years, one of the things that I wanted to focus on was more technology in our business. I didn't want it to be just a regular cleaning company. Now that it's COVID, we're definitely using some enhanced method of disinfection. We're using electrostatic sprayers. So we've got that technology, and now we're starting to introduce new technologies like our UV robots. The biggest push right now is, it was always cleaning for aesthetics. Now our focus is cleaning for health. COVID has brought a lot to the forefront. And one thing that we do know is that as much as cleaners work hard, they don't get everything. And this is where we developed these UV robots, because we believe that these can augment conventional cleaning. It's not to replace cleaning. These will help so that we can get better efficacy in areas that are missed by conventional cleaning. What we've seen is that hospitals have seen a reduction in infections by up to 70% once they've implemented our technology. So for us to come from mopping floors to saving lives is an incredible journey, and we're so proud and humbled by where we are today.